Okay, so this is the basic hardware setup for digital stethoscope. I've used Arduino Nano as the microcontroller and LM393 sound module, and I've used D0 pin of the module and given its input at A0 pin of Arduino Nano. So this is basically raw value code of Arduino. It basically prints the values that are coming at its A0 pin. Okay, so I'm going to upload this code. This code is uploaded, and now I'm going to show you the sensitivity of this setup. The plotter is opened, and now when I put the stethoscope at my chest, you can see the values. You don't have to press too hard because it will get the noise from your breathing. This is my heartbeat. I'm not putting constant pressure on it, that's why it's not behaving like it should. Now I'm going to try put some constant pressure on the sensor so that it will get some good values. Now there are some small spikes in this signal. Those are of my breathing, and as I speak while the stethoscope is attached at my chest, now you can see there is a lot of noise. So if I put this sensor and strap it on my chest, then it will give accurate values. It all depends on the code that I've written to get the heart rate value. We can also eliminate this value below 600 and above 1000. Because the D0 pin of this module gives digital signal and A0 pin gives analog signal. The next video I'm going to make, I will be using analog signal to show you the difference between A0 pin of the module and D0 pin of the module.